Jatend migao mar Somo Julius ogolo siem ne jogo modonjore gi kuo mar penj mar joklas 12 madhi nyime pachoka kowacho ni biro kawnegi ondamo mager mar chik. Owacho magi e nyasi mar yango chenro mar telo e mbalariany ma pachoka komero ni gitiyo machiegni kod jotije mag mbalariany wasu mar neno ni ng'anyo mar jopuonj mag mbalariany kod jotich mamoko ochopo e giko.
We will treat each case individually. We are not going to condemn any group or any community or any school as a group. We are going to take individual action against individuals who are involved in any malpractice. You've seen a lot of arrests, and all these arrests are actually almost all in adults or teachers or the center managers, some of whom have already been interdicted because of that arrest. Once you appear in court, you're interdicted. So I'm urging them not to engage themselves in these particular malpractices because it won't pay. It does not pay to engage because we have a multisectoral team that is very, very alert